In a world where words can make or break a sale, meet Alex, a struggling copywriter about to give up. Then, in his darkest hour, a glimmer of hope, the ChatGPT for Sales Copywriting course, worth $997, now unveiled before him, absolutely free. Join Alex on a journey from despair to mastery. Watch as each lesson, each module, reignites his passion, reshaping his skills in ways money can't buy. Behold the transformation. Alex's words now wield the power to captivate, convince, tenshing their impact. This isn't just learning, it's a revolution in writing. But time waits for no one. Seats for this life-changing course are vanishing. Will you seize this moment like Alex or let it slip away? Alex's story is now a beacon for many. In this course, a community thrives, sharing, growing, succeeding together. You too can be a part of this. Reach out with Alex, grab this chance. Sign up now for the free ChatGPT for Sales Copywriting course. Embark on your own epic journey to writing success. Don't miss out. Click the link below to enroll in the ChatGPT for Sales Copywriting course. Like Alex, transform your writing and join a community of success stories. Your journey to becoming a master copywriter starts with a single click. Enroll now for free.